Hello student of class 8. Let's revise our chapter metals and non-metals. In my last video I discussed about the reaction between metal and water and metal and oxygen, and today we are going to discuss the reaction between metal and acid. So remember, whenever a metal react with acid, then salt and hydrogen gas evolve. A metal always react with acid. Sodium and potassium react vigorously with acid, whereas other metals also react but slowly. Sodium whenever react with acid like hydrochloric acid, then the salt and hydrogen gas form, and here the salt is sodium chloride. Similarly, magnesium also react with dilute hydrochloric acid and form the salt magnesium chloride and hydrogen gas. Every metal that reacts with hydrochloric acid gives chloride salt of respective metal and hydrogen gas. You can see zinc is reacting with hydrochloric acid, then zinc chloride is formed. Similarly, lead whenever react with hydrochloric acid, then lead chloride form. And whenever aluminium react with hydrochloric acid, then aluminium chloride form. So whenever a metal react with hydrochloric acid, then the chloride salt will form along with hydrogen gas. And some metal like gold, platinum, they do not react with acid at all. Now discuss an activity where we are going to determine if metals react with dilute acid and liberated hydrogen gas. So for performing this activity, we require to manage some material: test tubes, test tube stand, test tube holder, dilute hydrochloric acid, measuring cylinder, small amount of chemical like charcoal powder, iron, nail, magnesium, ribbon, copper wire, aluminium foil, and weighting scale. Procedure: at first we have to take 5 test tubes and label them A, B, C, D and E. Now fill each of the test tube with 30 ml of dilute hydrochloric acid and place the test tubes on the test tube stand. Now take small amount of the following sample: charcoal powder, iron nail, magnesium ribbon, copper wire and aluminium foil. Now add in separate test tube. If no reaction occur in the cold solution, warm the test tube gently, then reaction will become very fast. After that, bring a burning matchstick near the mouth of each test tube and record your observation. So you can observe that whenever the burning matchsticks is bringing near the mouth of each test tube, then the light extinguish with creating a pop sound. So this is the property of the hydrogen gas. So whenever burning matchsticks or fire is bringing near the hydrogen gas, then this always extinguish with creating a pop sound, which conclude that whenever hydrochloric acid or any strong acid react metal, then along with salt, hydrogen gas evolved.